Midnight creaks, floorboards groan, pillow lips, another one gone. Sugar for bone, trade complete. The hunter rides for tiny teeth. Moonlight crawling through the window frame. Black boots silent like a ghost in the rain. Tiny skull trophies hiding under white. Soft little pillows in the dead of night. A little kid dreaming dragons and gold. Doesn't know the deal that's about to unfold. Hand in the dark, quick and neat. Candy drops where there once was teeth. Lock your doors, say your prayers. He's already climbing the stairs. Sweet reward, for receipt. The hunter only rides for teeth. I'm the two bounty hunter, riding shadows in the night. Trade your enamel for sugar thunder. Silent deal done out of sight. From the cradle to the streetlight heat. No jaw safe when I compete. You can run, but you'll still meet the bounty hunter, hunting teeth. Streetlight buzzing at a corner store. Stranger laughing like he's heard it before. But the hunter's grin cuts cold and deep. Everybody's got teeth to keep. Snap of gloves, flash of steel. Quick extraction, business deal. Stranger staggers, mouth incomplete. Another trophy in the bounty seat. Security guard on the midnight round. Flashlight shaking when the steps resound. He says, hey, stop, who goes there? Hunter smiles from the shadow stare. Two gold molars hit the ground. God wakes up when the pain kicks in. Hunter's gone like a phantom thief, riding off with a sack of teeth. I'm the two bounty hunter, riding shadows in the night. Trade your enamel for sugar thunder. Silent deal done out of sight. From the cradle to the streetlight heat. No jaw safe when I compete.
What are we doing here?
You can run, but you'll still meet the bounty hunter, hunting teeth.
Is that teeth?
In a basement, machines hung low. Plastic dreams in a sack of teeth on the concrete floor. But the hunter still needs something more. Alex screams from a filament lab. Chains on the door, tools in his hands. Grind them down, melt them tight. Turn these teeth to filament tonight. Powder bone in the hopper feet. Extruder roaring with plastic heat. White spool spinning, cursed in need. Filament forged from 1,000 teeth. I'm the two bounty hunter, but the truth you'll never see. I'll ride alone in thunder. Someone else is paying me. Tiny wings, silent fleet. Queen of sugar, queen of teeth. I just harvest, she completes the bounty hunter's destiny. Delivery made in the morning light. A spool arrives on a nerd's work site. 3D printer hums so sweet.
Oh, hey.
Layer by layer.
Is this it?
printing.
This is the stuff?
The two
Yes.
fair sensor
Finally.
guards whisper in the cooling air. The two fair sensor guards.
Hey!
Got your stuff.
Finally! Oh my gosh. Yes!